So I just picked up some oak from the city and have a few offcuts like this, and I think I'm going to mill up a little ring bowl for above my kitchen sink, and I'm going to show you that start to finish. It is soaking wet. We're going to make very quick work of hollowing this out. Pretty close to where I want, and then I'll sharpen my bowl gouge to do one last finish pass. These get the cleanest cut. I'm just going to add a nice little burn detail around the outside. And I'm just going to burnish this using some of the wet shavings. And there it is.